What's your name?
My name is Sofia.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Nice to meet you, Sophia. What animal is this?
It's a pig.
What does a pig say?
A pig say, oi, oi.
Do you like pigs?
No, I don't.
What is this?
It's a rooster.
What does a rooster say?
A rooster say cock-a-doodle-doo.
What animal is this?
It's a turkey.
What does a turkey say?
A turkey say gobble, gobble.
Do you like turkeys?
Yes, I do.
What animal is this?
It's a bird.
What does a bird say?
A bird say tweet, tweet.
What animal is this?
It's a duck.
What does a duck say?
A duck say quack, quack.
What's the color of the duck?
It's yellow.
Good job. What is this?
It's a cow.
What does a cow say?
A cow say moo moo.
Do you like cows?
No, I don't.
What is this?
It's a rat.
What animal is this?
It's a dog.
What does a dog say?
A dog say
Very good. What is this?
it's a hen.
Do you like hens?
Yes, I do.
What does a hen say?
A hen say clack clack.
Very good. What animal is this?
It's a goat.
What does a goat say?
A goat say meh meh.
What animal is this?
It's a cat.
What is the color of the cat?
It's orange and white.
What does a cat say?
A cat say meow meow.
Good job. What is this?
It's a rabbit.
What does a rabbit say?
A rabbit say tummy tum tummy tum.
Good job. What is this?
It's a egg.
What animal is this?
It's a donkey.
What does a donkey say?
A donkey say haw hee haw.
What animal is this?
It's a horse.
What does a horse say?
A horse say neigh neigh.
Do you like horses?
Yes, I do.
What animal is this?
It's a sheep.
What's the color of the sheep?
It's white.
Do you like sheep?
No, I don't.
What does a sheep say?
A sheep say ba ba.
Good job. High five.